Hello students, welcome to the class of Python programming. In the last lecture, we have seen the lambda functions in Python programming and we have seen some modules. What do you mean by the modules and the system modules? Now today we will go with the modules, user defined and some external packages. Let's go. A user defined module. Any program stored in current working directory can be imported by import statement. When such a program, that means module, is imported, we can use all functions and classes and global variables from that program in your current program. The import and import as and from import will work in the same fashion. It creates a Python compiled file with extension .py in a current working directory. Let's understand. What is module? A file containing a set of functions you want to include in your application. Set of codes. How to create a module? Save the code you want in a file with the extension .py. Give the name to the file but extension as a .py. It's a py file. Now save this code in a file named as mymodule.py. So we are taking this example mymodule.py. In this we are writing the set of code or the set of functions as def keyword for the function, greeting is the name of a function and the arguments are the name, colon. And now the statement in this function is print hello plus name. Okay, now here the function mymodule.py contains the function greeting. Now how we can use this module? Import the module named mymodule. Now I am going to import this module like import mymodule. So this mymodule will be get imported and call the greeting function. Now how to call the greeting function? Use mymodule dot. So that means we are calling it with the module name with the help of dot operator and whatever the function you want to call. Now the greeting, and we are passing the parameter John. So what happens as soon as the parameters becomes John, you are importing this function. It goes here John and it is going to print hello John like this. Similarly, we can import the module named mymodule and access the person1 dictionary. So for example, we have created a file or a module like mymodule.py which contains a dictionary. Person1, the key is name, value is John, key is age, value is 36, key is country and the value is Norway. Now let's see how we can import it. Now if I am importing mymodule and I want to access this a equal to mymodule dot. Now what I want to access? Dictionary. Person1 and I can access the only age contents. So age is a keyword and whenever I give the command print a, now the age corresponds to the 36. Like this we can import it mymodule as mx, or from mymodule we can import only few things also. So first we have studied how to import it as it is module, how to import mymodule as alias. So import mymodule as mx. In this case a equal to mx dot person1 age. So mx is a mymodule as mx. Now whenever I am printing a, I am getting the same output. Like this we can do import from module also. You can choose to import only parts from a module by using from keyword. Just we have seen it earlier. The module named myModule has one function and one dictionary. So it has one function greeting and a person one, a function and a dictionary. You can only import a function as well as you can only import a dictionary. So suppose I want to import only person one dictionary. How I can write? From my module, that means from my module import person one. And now in this case simply I am writing print person one age. Now the answer is same. So whatever the options you are going to choose, they are variable but the result is remains same. So you can go for import as well as from module import. Now let us see one more example. Suppose I have created a file called as fact.py. Now in this I defined two functions and one variable, right? And this I want to utilize or use them in another my file. So how I can do this? So def factorial. I want to find out a factorial of a number n colon. If n is less than or equal to 1, it should return 1. Else it should return n into factorial of n minus 1. So as this code is as simple as you know. Next function I want to write def hello, name of a function, and the argument is s colon. In that I want to print hello comma s. And one more variable is defined, name equal to Vishwakarma Institute of Information Technology. Now let us see how we can import it and how we can access the functions as well as the variables from that module. See now, first statement has to be import fact. So this fact gets imported in your current file. Now I want to find out a factorial of a number. Now what should I write? Print fact, a module name, dot operator, and whatever the function you want to access. So say factorial of 5. See now the answer is 120. Similarly, I want to use the hello function. So fact dot hello Rupa. So it will give you hello Rupa. So in this we are just doing hello Rupa. Now next I want to extract the variable as it is. So fact dot name, yes, it's going to display Vishwakarma Institute of Information Technology. Now I hope you are getting how you can use the modules in Python programming. Now we will come to the external packages. Yes, let us understand what are the external packages. Generally we don't store all our files on our computer in a same location. We use a well-organized hierarchy of directories for easier access. So what we do, similar files are kept in the same directory. For example, we may keep all the songs in the music directory. Analogous to this, Python has packages for directories and modules for files. As our application program grows larger in size with a lot of modules, we place similar modules in one package and different modules in different packages. See, this makes a project or a program easy to manage and conceptually clear. Similarly, as a directory can contain subdirectories and files, a Python package can have sub-package and modules. Now let us understand how it gets created or how it is. Packages are the namespaces which contain multiple packages and modules themselves. They are simply directories but with a twist. Yes, packages are the directories which contain multiple packages or the modules. Now, each package in Python is a directory. which must contain a special file called underscore init underscore .py. Yes, try to understand. Each package in Python is a directory which must contain a special file underscore init underscore .py. This file can be empty and it indicates that the directory it contains a Python package. So it can be imported the same way a module can be imported. A package is simply a collection of similar modules or sub-packages. Yes, now steps to create and import packages. How we are going to create the package? Now create a directory, for example info. Now place 3 different modules inside this directory. Now we are placing 3 modules like message1.py, message2.py and message3.py respectively, and place corresponding codes in the respective modules. Means what? The message1.py contains a function message1. Message2.py contains message2 function, and message3.py contains message3 function. Okay, now 3 modules are created inside a directory called info. Now create a file underscore init underscore .py which specifies the attribute in each module. Import the package and use the attributes using package. Let us understand this example. Yes, first 3 modules are created. Message1.py first file, message2.py second file and message3.py third file. So what I have? Message1 have the function show which printing module 1. Message2 have a function display which prints module 2, and message3 have a function output which prints module 3. So that means you have module 1, module 2, module 3 in a single directory called info. Now see this is your info directory, message1.py, message2.py, message3.py. Now you have created one more py file that is compulsory init underscore .py, and it contains the attributes like this. From message1 you have to import show, from message2 import display, and from message3 import output. So it contains the attributes of these modules. Now in this info folder all these modules are available. Now you have to create a new file outside of info. You have created a new file outside of info to import the given package. We can apply all import methods to use package. Say, write down a command import info. So as you write import info, you can access the files or the functions and classes available in that. Now I can do this info dot with the help of dot operator and the module name, info dot show, info dot display and info dot output. In such a way it creates 4 new py files in your info folder, and that is called as the external package. Thank you.